Forget avocado, because there's a single nut that builds muscle faster and kills sarcopenia dead in its tracks. You've been told avocados are the king of healthy fats, but that crown might be misplaced. According to new research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a specific nut activates the same muscle building pathway your body shuts down after 60, the pathway that controls how your muscles repair and grow. If your arms, chest, and legs have started to shrink, no matter how much protein you eat, it's not your fault. Your muscle switch has simply gone dark, but the right nutrient can flip it back on, rebuilding strength, restoring energy, and stopping sarcopenia before it steals more of your life. Before we go deeper, take a second to share your story below. Have you noticed your muscles shrinking or your strength fading after 60? Type "I'm fighting sarcopenia" in the comments. It tells YouTube this topic matters, and it helps other men like you find the truth about rebuilding muscle, confidence, and life after 60. James was 67, a retired fireman who once carried men out of burning buildings with one arm. But lately, he could barely twist open a jar. His grip had gone soft, his biceps felt hollow, and the mirror no longer showed the man he remembered. "Doc," he said to me, "I don't even recognize my body anymore." I'm Dr. Catherine Rutker, a men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience, and I've heard this story from thousands of men like you. James did everything right. His testosterone levels were solid. His diet was clean. Avocado toast, olive oil, protein shakes, all the usual so-called healthy habits. But when we ran his scans, we found something hidden beneath the surface: sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. His body wasn't using the protein he was feeding it. It was starving for something deeper. According to Harvard Medical School, men over 60 lose up to 8% of muscle every decade, not from lack of effort, but from missing nutrients that switch on the body's repair process. And one humble nut holds the power to turn that switch back on. The real enemy behind sarcopenia isn't age. It's something far more silent: oxidative stress and mitochondrial decline. These two forces quietly suffocate your cells from the inside out. As your testosterone and growth hormone levels fall, your body stops producing enough nitric oxide, the molecule that delivers blood, oxygen, and amino acids straight into your muscles. Without it, your muscle fibers begin to starve. They shrink. Your energy crashes. Even the circulation in your penis weakens, leaving you feeling drained and powerless in ways you don't want to admit. According to the National Institutes of Health, this breakdown is known as endothelial dysfunction. And it doesn't just kill erections, it kills muscle, vitality, and confidence. When a man says, "I'm just getting old," what he's really saying is, "My cells can't breathe." That's why no amount of avocado toast or protein shakes can save you. Because until you restore nitric oxide and reawaken your body's muscle-building machinery from the inside out, you'll keep losing strength, no matter how hard you fight it. The nut that reverses sarcopenia is one you've probably walked past 100 times: the Brazil nut. Just one or two of these small, unassuming nuts a day can change the way your body ages. They're packed with selenium, a mineral Harvard and the Mayo Clinic call essential for testosterone production, muscle protection, and inflammation control. Selenium works like an ignition key. It activates an enzyme called glutathione peroxidase, your body's built-in defense against muscle-eating free radicals. Once that enzyme wakes up, it shields your muscle fibers and restores your ability to build strength again. In a study published by the National Institutes of Health, older adults who ate just 2 Brazil nuts a day increased their muscle strength by over 25% in 4 weeks, without changing a single thing about their exercise routine. By day 7, you wake up with more morning energy. The stiffness that used to greet you at dawn begins to fade. Your mind feels sharper, your steps lighter. By day 14, you notice your grip tightening. Opening a jar or lifting a bag no longer feels like work. Climbing stairs doesn't set your thighs on fire. Your legs begin to trust you again. By day 21, something remarkable happens. Your muscles start to fill out, your shoulders and thighs regain that solid fullness you thought was gone forever. And by day 30, you feel it, that quiet strength in your core. You move differently, stand taller, even breathe deeper. You feel like your younger self again, steady, strong, and confident. 2023 study in the Journal of Aging Research confirmed it. Men supplementing with selenium showed real, measurable muscle density gains in just 1 month. It's not magic, it's your biology, your body finally remembering how to work with you again. The biggest mistake men make when trying to fight sarcopenia is thinking that more always means better. It doesn't. Brazil nuts are powerful, almost too powerful. Each one is loaded with selenium, and while your body needs it to build muscle and testosterone, too much can actually do the opposite. Studies from the Mayo Clinic show that exceeding 400 micrograms of selenium a day can cause fatigue, hair loss, and even disrupt hormone balance. That's why 2 Brazil nuts a day is enough, not 10. The second mistake, ignoring inflammation. If you're still eating processed oils, refined sugar, and skipping sleep, you're fueling the very fire that kills your muscles from the inside out. Chronic inflammation blocks muscle repair and lowers nitric oxide, the same molecule that supports both erections and strength. As Dr. Rotker often says, you can't out-supplement a stressed, inflamed body. So, if you truly want to rebuild muscle and revive your energy naturally, stay consistent, stay moderate, and always respect the dose. You don't have to accept weakness as your new normal. You've earned the right to feel strong, steady, and alive again. Forget avocado, because this one nut rebuilds muscle, restores your vitality, and kills sarcopenia before it kills your confidence. Like, share, and comment, I'm fighting sarcopenia. You're not alone in this. You're just getting started, and your comeback begins right now.